Namaste to all. I, JDN Ramesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of APM from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today our session is formatted input output. So it is related with the stream based class, having the class and object concepts. Formatted output converts the internal binary connotations of the data to ASCII characters which are written to the output file. So actually formatted output convert the internal binary connotation, that may be in the form of 0, 1 and converted to ASCII characters which are written to the output file. Formatted input reads characters from the input file and converts them to internal form. So formatted input reads characters from the input file and convert them into internal form. Formatted input output can be either free format or explicit format as described below. So the advantages and disadvantages of formatted input output. Formatted input output is very portable. It is simple process to move formatted data files to various computers. That is one. Formatted input output is very portable, that it is relative to your STD. It is a simple process to move formatted data files to various computers. Even computers running different operating systems, as long as they all use the ASCII character shape. ASCII is the American Standard Code. What ASCII is the American Standard Code for information with the field. It is the character shape. It is the character shape used by almost all parent computers, with the notable exception of large IBM mainframes. Formatted files are human readable and can be typed to the internal space or edited with a text editor. So it is the character shape used by almost all parent computers, with the notable exception of large IBM mainframes. Formatted files are human readable. Okay, so that's why formatted files are human readable. That means user can read the files, write the files, and can be typed to the internal stream or edited with text editor. So the user can read the file and can be typed to the internal stream or edited and can be edited and modified according to its requirements. However, formatted input output is more computationally extensive than unformatted input output because of the need to convert between internal binary data and ASCII text. Formatted data requires more skills than unformatted to convert the same information. Formatted data requires more space than unformatted to recover the same information. Inference can result in converting data between text and internal representation. So that is unformatted input and output. Unformatted input output is the most basic form of input output. Unformatted input output is the most basic form of input output. Unformatted input output transfer the internal binary representation of the data directly between memory and the file. Unformatted input output is the most basic form, of input output. Unformatted means it is not the data is not arranged. Okay, they are unstructured forms. That is the unformatted input output. Unformatted input output transfer the internal binary representation of the data directly between memory and the file. So, and formatted input also transfer the internal binary representation of the data directly between memory and the file. Advantage and disadvantage of unformatted input output. Unformatted input output is the simplest and most efficient form of input output. It is usually the most compact way to store data. Unformatted input output is the least portable sort of input output. Unformatted data files can only be moved easily to and from computers that share the same internal data information. It should be noted that XDR, that is external data representation file, described in portable, that is unformatted input output. It can be used to produce portable binary data. Unformatted input output is not directly human readable. So, what unformatted input output can be used to produce portable binary data, that is unformatted input output is not directly human readable because it is an structured form and it is not in binary form. It is the internal coding that is only, so you cannot type it out on a terminal screen or edit it with text editor. So thank you to all. I think you like my videos, comment my videos, share my videos, and subscribe my video. So thank you to all.